So there are two kinds of sound therapy. One is what we call generic sound therapy, and that would be using a fan in your room or playing some music. And the idea behind that kind of sound therapy is that it helps reduce your perception of the sound. It just covers it up. That's helpful for some people who have very, very mild tinnitus. It's not bothersome to them. That works for them. However, we have also customized sound therapy where the sound is more directed towards the areas of the hearing loss and where the tinnitus is generated in the brain. So customized therapy currently can be done in one of three different ways. The first option is a device by the name of Neuromonics. The device is basically like an MP3 player and has 2 hours of music loaded onto it. The music is shaped to the patient's hearing loss such that more sound gets through than the higher pitches where the hearing loss usually is to the brain. That helps reduce the perception of the ringing. It's a 6-month treatment and involves some counseling by an audiologist, and it ranges in price somewhere between $4,500 to $6,000. The second option is a device by the name of Serenade that is also dispensed through audiologists. It runs about $1,500 to $2,000. It's a 6-month treatment protocol, and the device has 3 different tones on it. The first tone is a broad-based sound, like the sound of the rain, for example. The second is a narrow-based sound. It's a sound that's customized to the pitch of the ringing, and it sounds like a hissing sound more. And the third sound is a so-called S tone, and that tone is usually used for times when the tinnitus gets really bad, and one listens to that for about a couple of minutes. That helps reduce the perception of tinnitus in about 70 to 80% of patients. The third option is Beyond Tinnitus, and Beyond Tinnitus is an internet-based software that gives the ability to the patient to create their own customized sound therapy files and download it onto their own MP3 player and listen to those therapy files on their own. It also gives them the ability to mix their own music that they have on their computer or MP3 player with the sound therapy file, such that they can listen to their own music and the therapy file is playing in the background, stimulating the areas of the brain that need to be stimulated to reduce the perception of the ringing. The cost of the Beyond Tinnitus solution is significantly lower than the other devices that are out there.